And as far as refilling your rear end oil, this fluid is quite thick, so it would help if you warm up the bottle, maybe put it in front of a space heater or something, warm up this fluid so it can flow a little bit easier. It comes with a nice little spout, as you see right here, and I just put some rubber hose on it and then run it over the top of the exhaust into the filler cap, which is right behind there, because the filler cap is blocked by the exhaust here. So, so that you don't make a big old mess doing it, just run you some tubing from your bottle right here and just start squeezing it, and it'll make its way in. Now, mind you, it only requires 4.1 ounces of oil. So pour out 3.9 into a measuring cup so that you know that what's left is 4.1, because it's only 8 ounces total in this bottle. So just pour out that you're not going to use 3.9. What's remaining is 4.1, and squeeze it all in. I'm just literally squeezing the bottle. And if you can't tell, it's moving. Crack open a little bit right there and you'll see a little air bubble. Then you can see that it's flowing in as you press down on it. So, but the issue is the fluid is quite thick. So heat it up a little bit and that'll help it flow. Anyway, that's it. Honda GoldWing rear end final drive fluid change.